Okay, YouTube, part 3. Get all this foundation out of here. As you can see, the house is still standing. Okay, we're still standing. When I pulled up, I checked to make sure the house was still here, standing up, before I parked the car. Get back on the highway, get out of here. Alright, be back when we bust all this stuff out. Using sledgehammers, like real men. Just want to show you guys the sheer power and force of these pythons. Look at these pythons, what they do. Look at that. Use the hammer with one hand. Freak. I'm like Samson. Alright, boys. Gotta get these big boulders out of here. So we made this like the Romans did. Put a boulder on there, carry it up the stairs. Let's put a boulder on, show you. One guy there, one guy there, and carry it up.
And that's solid stone.
What was
solid stone right there.
How old are they?
Probably
over 200 years old.
Over 200 years old.
Right.
Solid rock, granite rock.
Whoa.
That's right.
Alright. You can see it's outside from down there 2 seconds later. Alright, guys, we had to go help. We had to go get help. So we got these guys here. What? How much for the day? What happened? 200. Oh my God. We had to go get help. Alright, we had to bring these guys in to clean up. I'm doing the breaking, they're cleaning. Me and Kay doing the breaking, they're cleaning. The little minions, we call them. Fucking guy, there's a fucking bathroom over there. He's fucking pissing over. What's the matter with you? Hey, come on, pick it up, súbelo. It's for the doors. Come on. Yeah, man. See? There they go. No, you're gonna fall, okay? No, I'm not. That's how we carry the boulders out, just like that. It's like carrying a soldier out. Soldier's been down here in this basement for 200 years. So that's what we got out so far. Gotta just do that and that's it. Let these guys go. Alright, working on that last piece there. It's all rubble, gotta do cleanup. Alright, there it is. Gotta fix those holes. Those holes, he gained 5 feet. Cost him about $2,500. Labor and material. Alright. Thumbs up, boys!